Hi, I'm Elisa, and I work at Barbecues Galore. And today I'm going to answer one of the most common questions we get. What is the difference between cast iron grills and stainless grills? Cast iron grills hold heat and they're self-basting and hold flavor. They do take a bit of care. Just like a cast iron pan in your kitchen, you need to season them. Stainless steel grills have longevity, it's easy to clean, less maintenance. So for those that have a fast lifestyle, some people lean to a stainless steel grill. They are very heat retention and they come in different sizes, 7 mil, 8 mil, and 9 mil, depending on your barbecue that you are purchasing. I have both grills on my grills at home. I use cast iron for some of my foods and I use stainless steel for others. So it's just a preference. It's what you like to cook with. One isn't better than the other. For more information, you can go to barbecuesgalore.ca. Thank you for watching.